I'm currently in a huge shopping center in Shenzhen North in Longhua district, and we have to check out this amazing robotics shop. It's got a lot of awesome stuff. Okay, there it is. Feels like when I just lift my legs, you just help me lift the rest of it. So I basically not using a lot of strength. It's just like lifting the finger strength, then the whole thing is moving by itself. You can adjust the power here. So, wow, you lift a lot more now, look at that. And I've just come across this place. I want to just show you guys. So this is just one of the buildings during lunchtime. This is all the delivery boxes, and everything is controlled in your phone. So the delivery person will drop off the food at one of the boxes, and then it will send a notification to the person who ordered the food, and then they will come down here and then put in the password, the specific password, to pick up their lunch. Look at all these boxes. There's like 200, more than 200 of them. And each one of them is being used repeatedly. So I'd say probably thousands of food deliveries here. It doesn't look like they were mistaken or somebody will steal the lunch or something. Look at all this food here. That goes the monorail, and this monorail is built by BYD with their technology. We know that BYD is the sales exploded because of their EV cars, batteries, and the competitive price. But this monorail is using their technology, and it's running. I think this is the first ever monorail in Shenzhen. Getting a ticket for this monorail, it's actually easy. So if you see this, you can actually use your Alipay, scan this to get the ticket purchase app, and then you just do it. Or if you've been using Metro on Alipay, Metro QR code, you can also use it here as well. If not, just go in here, this machine, you get your ticket. QR code, okay, just here, there we go, easy. So this monorail is fully automatic. You can see the driver is actually not doing a lot. He just sits there to keep peace and safety of the passengers. And just make sure there's some emergency happens, maybe he can react to it. There's a good view of his bum. He just stands there. I can't see anything. See ya. Look at all these cars, all electric. And that, the round top thing, I believe that's the BYD Research and Manufacturing Business Park, including all that. This is probably where all the workers actually lives. Behind me is actually the multi-level rotating parking. What they call in China, they call it Ferris wheel parking. This parking slot actually turns one parking spot into 12 parking spots. It's quite an easy operation. If you want to put your car in, you can check the signs here to say how many parking spots available. This is 8. And you can come down here, you can scan the QR code here if you've got WeChat Pay. If not WeChat, you can use this machine. When you drive in, all you have to do is park your car in the reverse position in this area. Make sure the camera can recognize your car number plate. Feels a little bit shaky. So it does have a height and weight limit, but look at this BMW. It's a 4-wheel drive BMW, I don't know, it's an X5, X6, something like that. As big as that, you can park it in, no problem. But if you got a Hummer, I'm not sure about that. When you have to pick up your car, simply put in the password in your app or put in the password in this machine. Let me know what you think. Would you park your car in a spot like this? Put in the comments below. Look at the beautiful place behind me. And this is Hohai Rencai Park. And right behind me is the drone food delivery station in this park. So this is through a Meituan app. It says that you do need a WeChat to actually access this application. Alright, so where do I put my phone number? 它这里要我输入这个电话号码，但是我不知道在什么地方。在这，这里还要再确认一下的。Well, it is great to have someone here to assist all the people using this drone machine delivery, because when I was using the app, I couldn't find where to put the phone number. It actually took me quite a while to do that. But after I asked her, she actually gave me all the information I need, or also how to apply the discount as well, which is awesome. So it's done. So it takes about half an hour to get here. So this is the drone takeoff platform. These guys are loading up all the batteries. There is a specific person from a drone company who will go and pick up all the orders from the stores, and then she'll package them up one by one. I guess the drone's not enough for them. Wow, I can feel the air through my legs. There's 3 drones in the air at the same time. Look at these little bees, oh my. Are they gonna hit each other? No, they missed each other. Oh look, that's my boy. soon. Later, boy. Thank you. So my phone's vibrating. I think I'm getting a phone call from the drone delivery service. Yeah. So it says that it's arrived in this drop station. Oh yes. That's fine. Okay. So I've got my Macca's. So you just put it up. So I've got my food. Alright, let's check out the burgers. So I've got a chicken burger. And that's without sauce and no cheese. Looks pretty good. Check that out, it's exactly the same Macca's. The good thing I like about the drone delivery is actually you can sit in this beautiful park just so far away from the main road, and you can still get your food delivery without going out to pick it up. I guess it's try to avoid all the parking traffic. So he stopped a little bit further up. And they try not to block this bus stop. Alright. So I'm gonna type in the last 4 digits of my phone number. There we go. But I can also sit at the front as well, I think. Alright, so let's start. That's right. Oh, seatbelt. Right. There we go. Oh, there's a driving wheel here. The aircon's a bit too much. 你好，萝卜。打开右边车窗。Oh. It's all automatic. It's sound control. It's voice control. Look at that. 你好，萝卜。关闭右边车窗。That's right. 你好，萝卜。开启座位按摩。Only the one at the back. That one's got massage. I guess at the front I don't get any massage. Anyways, let's go. See how slow we're going? We are going really slow. Alright, so there's pedestrian crossing here. There's no lights. Okay, so you stopped. You actually decelerate pretty quickly, and the speed's very slowly, so I don't feel like jerking and everything. Alright, so there's no traffic lights here whatsoever, and it's how you handle it. So this car want to turn right. So okay, so another car come in. We let them go first. Very good. And what now? So okay, they want to turn right, but we are kind of stuck in the middle. What do we do now? This car want to come over. That car. Okay, so they let us go. Very good. So we're going first. Thank you very much. Very good. Everybody's doing a good job. So I actually do enjoy this experience. It's very quiet. The car's very clean, and it doesn't have an auto smell. It just smells like fresh air. That's all. And everything is sound controlled. That's all I like most about it. Even though I can't experience the chair massage, I can say I'm going to do it the next time. But the whole process, I feel quite safe. I don't know. It just feels safer than a lot of the drivers, because this car actually is a constant speed, and it doesn't rush through things. It doesn't rush through traffic lights. It doesn't do sudden brakes. maybe there's no emergency happening. Maybe the sensor actually can sense pretty far away. So I actually enjoyed it. I think if I got the chance, I will ride this every day, without question. What about you? What do you guys think? Maybe you should come here and try yourself. What if I release my seat belt? Let's see what happens when driving. Oh, all right, easy. I'm just testing. All right, little guy. So this little robot here is actually called a Hoolook, Hooloq. The coffee here is actually quite cheap. It's like 10 RMB for one latte. Let's try this. All right, go get it, my little guy. Go get it. There goes my little guy. There goes my little guy. Yes. It's like playing Kung Fu and everything. Oh, he gets it. Yes. Yes, my little guy. Come on. I'm here.
这是您的商品。
Thank you. Thank you. Dad, it's a 10 RMB latte. It's like, I don't know, $2 latte. And it's made by an robotic arm, and delivered by a robot. Imagine this robot can actually walk all over the shopping center. Even they can walk on the streets. You can have this coffee delivered to your door one day. I'm actually waiting for that day and see how it goes. Let's taste it. I didn't expect to get a bowl of robot noodles. I have to climb up this much stairs. Now, maybe I should be like this guy, bring his own food and eat it halfway during this climb. I think this is a very nice view, even though it's probably a little bit away from the main subject today. It's not very high tech here, the plant. Oh, the sunset's really nice. Ladies and gentlemen, we found it. It's right here. Okay. Oh, what happened? Look at this robot arm. It's supposed to be making noodles. What happened? Well, I don't get a chance to taste it this time. Maybe I'll try it another time. But for this video, we're gonna end it here today. I'll see you guys next video.